Fishery is the main industry, but our destination, Saito Seka, is a very famous
Saito Seka,
confectionery.
we're going to Saito
And a
Seka.
very famous sweet is named seagull egg. Do you know
Seagull
seagull?
egg, sweetened.
You have seagulls in
Amay
the
seagull
Philippines?
egg. We are
They're
going
beautiful
to
birds and
Afunada
I'm
City.
sure they are abundant seagulls. So the
Oh.
sweet, which is also very
We are
famous
now
in
living the
Tokyo and sold very well
Ichinosaki
in Japan, is named after
province,
the seagull.
and we're heading to
you can remember
Afunada
this
City.
word, kamome.
This is a
Kamome.
typical scene
Kamome
here.
is the name of the seagull. So kamome no tamago is their brand sweet.
Kamome
And I
no
think you can
tamago.
get to try this.
Yung tamago yung sinasabi
And
mo,
the
ano?
manufacturer of Saito
that's
Seka
just
has
the
a long
railway.
history, but I will spare the detailed explanation because we will hear their detailed explanation after we get there. But actually the main office was totally washed away by this
Just a small
huge
village.
tsunami. And
Ichinosaki is quite
director
big
manager,
naman.
Mr. Saito, happens to be working in this main office when the tsunami hit
one of just the
their
one that was
area.
removed.
And he was very good. He made a correct decision immediately. So when he felt the serious earthquake, he gave orders to all employees to evacuate as soon as possible. So that's why there was no human casualty.
Pine trees
That's very
over.
unusual.
Small
Because many
village,
people
small villages,
took it
small
for granted.
houses.
Okay, maybe it will subside, and they
And clean
turned
streets.
out to be a victim of the
Perfect
tsunami.
roadways.
So he's a very wise man, and he also took videos while he escaped. So you can see